Let us start today's sequence. Come on the top of your mat in Tadasana. Inhale Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale Padahastasana. Take your right leg back, Asvasanchalanasana. Virabhadrasana 2. Move into Trikonasana. Come back to Asvasanchalanasana. Adhomukha Svanasana. Falakasana. Move into Shishu Asana. And come to table pose. And move into Astangasana. Bhujangasana. Twist to right side, Tiryak Bhujangasana. Come to center and twist to the left side, Tiryak Bhujangasana. Come to the center and move into Adhomukha Svanasana. Falakasana. Lift your right hand up, Vasishthasana. Right hand down and left hand up, other side, Vasishthasana. Come back to Falakasana. Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. And move into Adhomukha Svanasana. Now bring the right leg forward, Asvasanchalanasana. Virabhadrasana 2. And move into Trikonasana. And back to Asvasanchalanasana. Again go to Adhomukha Svanasana. Lift the right leg up, Ekapada Adhomukha Svanasana. Bend the knee and bring the knee forward, Kapotasana. And back to Adhomukha Svanasana. Now lift the left leg up, Ekapada Adhomukha Svanasana. And bring the knee between the palms, Kapotasana. Move into Adhomukha Svanasana. Bring the right foot forward, lizard pose. Back to Adhomukha Svanasana. Bring the left foot forward, lizard pose. And back to Adhomukha Svanasana. Falakasana. Rest in Shishu Asana. And come back to Vajrasana.